Is there someone coming? No, they're leaving. Ready? Okay, so we decided to dig out the other frame we have for a kit car. I thought it was a wide body, turns out it's not, so that's great. And we've just measured the engine in the existing, measured up against this, and it's not going to fit. So that's that plan out the window. So first thing was the hubs. This obviously holds your wheel bearing, and this is where all your suspension and everything connects from the car to the wheels. So we've taken this side off. We've got the upper control arm with the ball joint, which is not too bad. It's not great. It needs changing. The lower control arm, which quite frankly is absolutely disgusting. It's just knocking, really grindy, has no grease in there. And is this the side? No, I think the other side's held together with a cable tie. Brake calipers off. So these are nice and easy. These are just 2 bolts. Oh, she's tight. Coil over shock. So these, again, for this car and this weight of car, the throw on these are horrific. So once you get weight on the car, you've only got about ½ an inch of play. So one of the things we want to do is change this for a longer throw, coil over shock. Around the front, we've got the radiator. So this came off nice and easy. Oh, you dirty slag. We caught about 0 of that. Upper pipe, lower pipe, 4 bolts and a cable, which annoyingly had no plug.
This is dirty, what is this?
It's going to wear through that.
Yeah, maybe.
We have an absolute abomination. We've got a nice piece of silicone hose going into a piece of steel pipe, another bit of silicone hose, another bit of steel pipe, another bit of silicone hose, another bit of steel pipe going into a rubber hose that goes into the bottom of the water pump. Oh, and an exhaust clamp. I never noticed this before. If you turn the steering wheel, it's routed to the headers, which is fine in itself, but when you turn the steering wheel, it's actually rocking the engine. It's actually a bit worse if I do it that way.
You need your eye protection.
Safety squints. There you go. Fucking mint. Ear protection. I can do that. I don't even think we have eye protection. I know I don't. Oh, noise cancelling. Am I even going to get that in there? No. I'm not going to get that in there either.
Are you just going to cut off the heads?
What head?
That not come off?
No. I might be able to get it with the bar, but it's aluminium, so it'll probably just bend.
You could put that stand under the car and remove the arm.
Where are we going to put it though, because we're cutting that off?
We'll just put it here for now until you cut it off and then you can move it back.
Do you think we can do it with this? Just like that, maybe. Just gonna shoot back down again, isn't it? No, well, maybe not. Yeah. The whole thing just goes. This is fine. But for a bigger battery than this. Poor thing.
It's a 2 amp.
2 amp. Yeah.
Do you want me to get the 12?
You got 12?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You won't get it in there, will you?
Yeah.
Getting quite pro at this one-handed cammering.
You won't when you drop it.
I got my strap on, it's fine. Oh.
You got your what on? Yeah, he goes.
Wait, you take the side panel off.
Should we take the side panel off? Oh, that was really hard to pull off. Bearing in mind that's aluminium, that's really heavy. Always unnerved me. You got this really big gap here for the flywheel. All you need is a little stone to come in here. Catch on this lip here. Either you're going to shatter your bell hours into pieces, or it's going to lock your engine up and you're going to go down the road like a slippery snag. Durite horn and lighting switch. It is the biggest POS you've ever seen in your life. Might be a breaker bar job. Second floor, electrical and white goods. It does 1, 2, 4, 3.
Yeah, that does sound better, that side.
It burbles this side. That side sounds like a normal 4-cylinder.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're uneven firing. So that. Yeah, blah 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 blah.
Right, let's get the headers off.
Whoever said V8s aren't fun, they're lying.
V10s are too much.
Huh?
V12s are just excessive.
V10s.
All you need is 8s.
I don't like 10s and 12s. They sound too high pitched. I like a blob.
V6, not enough.
Yeah.
Inline
They're-
6, maybe.
It's BMW though, isn't it? So today we dropped the belly pan down. It let us see what's underneath on the engine. Also allowed us to move the ramp so we were a bit more stable when moving around. We took all the side panels off and then we moved on to taking the headers off both sides. We thought it'd be a bit rude not to run it without any headers on, so enjoy. It's very, very loud. Briefly, we went to the back, we took the rear wheels off, side to side sway bar off, and the two sort of support bars that come and keep the axle where it is. And then once that's done, we can take the prop out, take the rear axle out, then we can start thinking about getting the engine crane up here and start taking the engine and gearbox out. All in all, really good.